Cut off.
You tell me.
I don't know. I think about initially I'm thinking of 120, but
मेरे शर्ट पे क्या है भाई?
maybe you're right. Probably like 105, 106, maybe 108.
Bro, honestly, I was having a talk with one of the guys from True Rippers, and I think so it was Hirsch, and he said that the cutoff is not.
You don't
gonna
even
go more.
recognize your players?
I forgot, man. I don't know who it was.
Oh,
I talked to so many players,
Okay.
but he said that the cutoff is not going to go more than 100. He said it's going to be 97, 98. That's what he thinks.
Acha, I see. Using your crystal ball, can you tell me the future of Team Soul?
Team Soul will qualify directly to the grand final.
ये तो हमें पता है कुछ फाइनल में. What is the position in finals?
Oh, what is the position in finals?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, not champion.
Oh my god.
That's a bold move, bro.
Oh my god.
Not champion. I'm sorry. Top 5,
Oh,
but
my.
not champion.
Baba made the prediction. I think he's
Babu
right.
is Babu.
Oh, Babu. I see Babu made the prediction. We don't know, bro.
What
Wait, last time याद है? Salty ने BJ से पहले prediction करके लाया था. बाउल में रखा हुआ था. Soul जीतेगा. Soul champion. वो भाई second half में
Salty ने rep.
But we will see them in IC.
What about Team Orangutan?
My team does not need any crystal ball. भाई हम मुद्दे हैं crystal ball.
I think OG will be in top 5, not lifting the trophy also.
Sad, yaar, fixes. No trophy for Orangutan this time, bro. Ocean, you wanna ask about any team?
Okay, tell me.
मलेशिया का बंदा बोल रहा है कुछ मत सुनो भाई, छोड़ दो उसको. OG जीत रही है.
Tell me about GDR.
GDR, God's Reign.
God's Reign will be not going to the grand finals. I'm sorry.
Oh my god.
सुनो मेरी बात. फिरंगियों की बातों पे मत आओ. सुनो, समझ रहे हो?
Sorry.
कुछ भी बज रहा है ये.
Okay, tell me about 8-bit.
8-bit.
8-bit will make it to grand finals.
आसार
but
बहुत
not IC.
कम है.
Oh my
ना
god.
भाई
भाई ये
not
हट
top
जाता है,
eight.
ये इसका ही
भाई
mic है.
इसने बोला IC नहीं जाएगी भाई 8-bit.
एक second, wait. One sec. So you're saying, so my follow-up question is, for all these teams that I'm asking you, are they making it to the grand finals directly from here, or are they going to the survival stage as well?
8-bit survival stage.
Guys.
Tell me about this one individual who has been performing and who has been showing us his gameplays and his team's gameplay since 2019. His name is Oves, Victor Asumas. How much? See, at one time when there was PUBG Mobile, he was considered to be one of the greatest IGLs, has won PMCOs, has been in top 3 in PMCOs, whatnot, PMITs, PMIS, PMAS, etc. Now, you know his history. You have seen him perform. You have seen him be there in multiple tournaments with different names and all. What's your take on Oves?
Okay.
A guy like Oves. He has done coaching as well to Hector's team previously, like all those things. So, what's your take on him?
His biggest issue is new gen, old gen's mindset, not united. That's the biggest issue.
Is it you or the ball?
This is me.
Okay.
This is
And-
what I feel.
And what does
What does the ball say?
The ball says he's getting old.
Nah, yaar, he looks.
Bro,
young,
he's
man.
24
He's
or
24.
23.
He's 23.
He's 23.
He's getting old.
That's what the ball says, no, not
That's
IC.
the ball says.
That's what the ball says, not IC.
So, if people have to say something back to you, if they don't agree with your opinion, do they tell you or do they tell Ravan?
They tell Ravan the ball. I only transcribe what is on the
मेरा
ball.
कुछ लेना ना देना, गाली आया तो मेरे तरफ ऐसा कर दिया.
Sweeto bhai, what do you think कि what went wrong with Soul today and Fixes भाई नकुल के लिए जो बोला बढ़िया है? क्या बोला तुमने?
हाँ? अच्छी चीज है बोला है भाई.
क्या
तुमने
बोला?
नोटिस नहीं किया क्या? Have you not noticed कि आजकल नकुल थोड़ा सा इंटरेक्ट कर रहा है लोगों के साथ,
बातें कर रहे हैं वो लोग.
हाँ,
सारे ही
थोड़ा सा
बातें कर रहे हैं.
outspoken हो रहा है. And ये चाहिए था because Soul needed a face, they needed a hero figure,
हाँ.
and अब धीरे धीरे नकुल का वो ट्रांजिशन आ रहा है. So like मैंने जब उसको बैटमैन वो दिया था, that time he was underrated. I think up since he's in the limelight, so I kind of gave him that Captain America. वाला this thing.
Okay,
सुमन भाई ने जो क्वेश्चन पूछा था, 4 नाम दिए थे. मीनो कौन थे? मीनो, गॉब्लिन, आई थिंक.
Mino, Goblin, Johnny Legend.
हाँ, जॉनी
मैं याद
लेजेंड.
कर रहा था.
वो कहते थे ओवरऑल में बताना. एंड उसके बाद बिग फैन बोल रहे हैं, व्हाई वी कंपेयर गॉब्लिन विद जोनाथन. जॉनी
And
के
I
पास
mean, see, that is also one of the.
वो इन्होंने लिखा है ऐसा है, वो बाकी लोग बुरा मानेंगे, बट जॉनी हैव मोर अचीवमेंट्स एंड एमवीपी टाइटल्स. लास्ट गॉब्लिन को एमवीपी बना था, याद भी नहीं है.
कल TFP में क्या करता था All-
भाई हरामी
I think
अरे नहीं मजा ले रहा हूँ
आदमी है भाई।
अरे नहीं
but no, I will not say. Yes, controversy हो जाएगा।
अब भाई बहुत बड़ी कंट्रोवर्सी करवाओगे तुम हम लोगों की ऐसी बिना बात के और भाई
तो ये मेरे पास
मतलब see jokes aside Jonathan obviously one of the most brilliant players Goblin is an incredible player as well this tournament is showcasing that ठीक है पहली चीज दूसरा अब तुम लेजिट को कंपैरिजन में लेकर के आ रहे हो वो कितनी बड़ी जिम्मेदारी अभी लेकर के उठा रहा है इसके पहले भी खेला है बट अब जिस तरीके से वो उठा रहा है अगेन वो कंपैरिजन कितना अलग हो जाता है एडमिनो की तुम बात कर रहे हो yes he has been playing I would say all these players are good in their own senses they are goated in their own senses and that is one thing that I believe we should all agree with
तूने रिप्लाई नहीं
कल टारगेट किसको करोगे किसी को नहीं यार अभी तो कुछ ऐसा है नहीं बाकी कल देखते हैं